Welcome to Study with Saweera. If you are preparing for the biology eata and MDAct MCQs and want to sharpen your skills, you are in the right place. Let's start. Let's start it. So the first MCQs is which of the following is not considered a characteristic of acellular life? A. Lack of cellular structure. B. Ability to reproduce independently. C. Dependence on host cell for replication. And D. Presence of genetic material. So the correct option is B. The next MCQs is what is the genetic material of most viruses? A. DNA. B. RNA. C. Both DNA and RNA. D. Neither DNA nor RNA. So the correct option is both DNA and RNA. The next MCQ is which of the following is an example of a virus that infects bacteria? A. Retrovirus. B. Bacteriophage. C. Viroid. And D. Prion. So the correct option is bacteriophage. B is the correct option. What is the protein coat that surrounds the genetic material of a virus called? A. Envelope. B. Capsid. C. Cell wall. D. Membrane. So the correct option is B. Capsid. Which of the following is a subviral particle composed solely of a short strand of circular RNA without a protein coat? A. Pyron. B. Viroid. C. Virus. D. Bacteriophage. So the correct option is viroid. What is the main mode of replication for viruses? A. Binary fission. B. Mitosis. C. Using host cell machinery. And D. Independent replication. So the correct option is C. Using host cell machinery. The next MCQ is what type of virus is HIV, the virus that causes AIDS? A. DNA virus. B. RNA virus. C. Retrovirus. D. Bacteriophage. So the correct option is C. Retrovirus. The next MCQ is the lactic cycle of a bacteriophage involves A. Integration of viral DNA into the host genome. B. The destruction of the host cell. C. Transformation of the host cell into a viral factory. And C. Lysogenic conversion. So the correct option is B. The destruction of the host cell. Which of the following statement is true about viroid? A. They contain a protein coat. B. They can cause disease in animals. C. They are composed of RNA. D. They are larger than viruses. So the correct option is C. They are composed of RNA. Prion are unique and infectious agent because they lack A. Genetic material. B. Proteins. C. Lipids. And D. Capsid. So the correct option is A. Which part of the virus is responsible for attaching to the host cell? A. Capsid. B. Envelope protein. C. Nucleic acid. D. Cytoplasm. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which of the following is true about the lysogenic cycle of a virus? A. It results in immediate destruction of the host cell. B. The viral DNA integrates into the host cell genome. C. The virus remains inactive outside the host cell. And D. It only occurs in animal viruses. So the correct option is B. In the context of acellular life, which of the following correctly describe a pyron? So the first option is infectious protein particle, B short RNA sequence, C virus that infect plant, D bacterial spore. So the correct answer is A. The next MCQs is which of the following mechanisms do viruses use to exit to host cell? A. Binary fission, B. Budding, C. Conjugation, and D. Transformation. So the correct option is B. Budding. Which of the following is a characteristic of a retrovirus? It has a double-stranded DNA genome. B. It uses reverse transcriptase to replicate. C. It infects only plants. And D. It is composed solely of protein. So the correct option is B. Which enzyme do retroviruses use to integrate their genetic material into the host genome? A. DNA polymerase, B. RNA polymerase, C. Reverse transcriptase, and D. Integrase. So the correct option is D. Which of the following best describe the genome of a bacteriophage? A. Double-stranded RNA, B. Single-stranded RNA, C. Double-stranded DNA, and D. All a protein only. So the correct option is double-stranded DNA. The envelope of some viruses is derived from A. The host cell membrane, B. The viral capsid, C. Bacterial cell wall, and D. The virus's own genetic material. So the correct option is A. Which of the following disease is caused by a viruses? A. Tuberculosis, B. Malaria, C. Measles, and D. Tetanus. So the correct option is measles, C. Viroids primarily infect which type of organism? A. Animals, B. Bacteria, C. Plants, D. Fungi. So the correct option is C. Plants. The next MCQ is which process describes the conversion of viral RNA into DNA? A. Transcription, B. Translation, C. Reverse transcription, and D. Replication. So the correct option is C. Reverse transcription. Which of the following is not a component of a typical virus? A. Protein coat, B. Genetic material, C. Ribosomes, and D. Lipid envelope. So the correct option is C. Ribosome. The term bacteriophage refers to A virus that infects bacteria, B. A virus that infects plants, C. A virus that infects animals, D. A virus of bacteria. So the correct option is a virus that infects bacteria. Pyron disease typically affect which of the following? Which of the body? Which system of the body? A. Respiratory system, B. Nervous system, C. Digestive system, D. Circulatory system. So the pyron affect pyron disease typically affect nervous system of the body. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDAct MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice with questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.